3.1.1 and 3.1.2 simply say that everything we're going to talk about in the future needs a policy and procedure to go along with it, and you need to identify the responsible parties that are going to take on each one of these policies and procedures within your organization. This may seem like a light requirement. It may seem like something of a gimme in the overall PCI scope. But especially for requirement 3, it's incredibly important that your organization identify those people who are responsible for encryption, for storage, for maintenance of your systems, and that you identify those key procedures around encryption, storage, and maintenance of your storage systems. Many times when we go out on an engagement, the key failure in requirement 3 is that senior management knows exactly what they want, but the people in the field don't necessarily know that they're responsible for it. And the actual maintenance of these items is what fails an organization. And that's a failure in requirement 3.1.2.